What is going on, guys? So the other day I actually got the idea to compare the weight between my drag wheels and my stock Mach 1 wheels. So obviously with lighter wheels, you're gonna make faster passes at the drag strip, and I'm really excited just to see exactly how much lighter these wheels are versus my stock ones, because these feel way lighter. So let's just get right into that. All right, so I just have a basic scale and we're gonna be weighing the stock wheel first. So I'm just gonna put this on here and try to balance it real quick. This alone, and that says 50.8 pounds. Holy crap, that is a lot. All right, so next up we have our Racestar wheel, and I'm gonna put that on there and we're gonna see just how much lighter these wheels really are. All right, wheels by itself. And that's 32 pounds almost exact. Wow, that is almost 18 pounds difference. Holy crap. You are a chunky boy. So 18 pounds, that's quite a bit. And if you were to wrap your car with 4 of those tires versus the stock ones, that'd be almost 80 pounds of rotational weight, you know, taken off the car. I mean, that would definitely help you get down the drag strip. And I see where a lot of people go with the lightweight wheels, because like you can just pick it up. I mean, you can pick up this wheel and just hold it straight out and it's just not an issue. But, you know, there's no chance with that one, at least not with me. I'm a weak bitch. And just because I'm curious, I'm going to see how much the spare tire weighs, because, you know, it's really popular for people to remove their spare tire before they go drag racing. And, you know, that saves you 26 pounds, but, you know, that also possibly puts you stranded on the side of the road waiting for a tow truck. So probably not the best idea. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to like and subscribe.